claim to participate in this meta UFO airdrop, what you need to do is you copy the link, the airdrop link. I've already copied that, and then you open your dApps, your browser, your Trust Wallet. I want to use this wallet, so you open your Trust Wallet and click your dApps, then paste the link. Here is the link. Sorry, paste the link. Continue. Change network to Smart Chain. Allow to load. Okay, you click on join airdrop. So this is it. So I have to I have to click. I have to open the link on this on Trust Wallet because I want it to count first. If I open it on a normal browser, the referral this will not count. So I can now go back to browser and then paste it here and search. The reason is because if you open if you try to open that link, that airdrop link from your Trust Wallet, this link on your Trust Wallet, it will not direct you to Telegram. So how to start? Join airdrop, join group, join type meta UFO. Okay, go back, join Telegram, go back, join sponsors Telegram. Okay, submit. I've not set my username here. This is a new account, so I've just set my username at once. Riri airdrop. Riri airdrop. Yeah. So I go back here. Sorry. So I go back here and type my username at Riri airdrop. Then what is the difference? Okay, the first arrow is capital letter, so I submit at Riri airdrop. So it's gone. I go to Twitter. I have to retweet. I've already done that. Retweet this. I have to retweet this, like this, then go to my handle and then copy the retweet link. Copy the link, then go back to Telegram, then paste. Now get code. The code is there. I just tap to copy, and I go back to Telegram. Sorry, to Trust Wallet, and then I paste the code here. Then verify. Airdrop task has been completed, so I got my bonus. Then claim. Withdrawal is successful. Your meta offer will be credited within 72 hours. Then that is it. It has been removed from my balance, so it has been sent to my wallet. Now the next I need to do is to add it to my wallet to check for it. It's not here. I need to add custom token. So let me check their website. Sorry. Check their website to see the contract address. Smart contract. What am I saying? Smart contract. My network is quite slow, so I need to copy the contract address. Okay, it's open. So I copy the contract address. So it's copied. I go back to my Trust wallet, change my contract, the network to smart chain, paste, then done. See, I allowed this to prefill, then done. Done. So in a few minutes, my airdrop should be here. In a few minutes. So that is how to participate in the airdrop. Oh, let's see we correct. So that's that.